See, Mom, this video here is to let you know that even while you're a little baby without sin, that God sent His Son down the cross for you. And so by you knowing about Him and me teaching you about His Son, that you ask Him to bless you, guide your footsteps all your days, and to keep you and help you in making decisions. And because I teach you about God and His Son Jesus, you're going to have a better chance to be successful, to live and to love, and to make an impact on other people's life. And Daddy loves you. And that's one to grow on.